What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I have this little mini digital camera. It doesn't really have a brand name, but it's called Mini. It says Mini on the top, as you guys can sort of see. And it is a just really off-brand camera that you get for about 35 bucks off of Amazon. I have already opened it, but I wanted to put it all back and show you guys what you get, because whenever I opened it, I thought this would be a good idea. I should be able to show everybody what comes with this. So whenever you open up your box, you get here your camera, of course, which I already put the keychain on, and it just turned itself on. Interesting, because it's pressing on it. But yeah, you get the little camera, and we'll, in just a few minutes here, be able to see some samples of how it looks. But right now, it's actually on. So I'm going to turn it right back off, and it says goodbye. We'll get in that in just a sec. It does come with the strap. Here's the strap it comes with, because apparently it's not easy enough to carry on its own. Go figure. Personally, I think I'd probably be using a keychain if I use it at all. The keychain would probably be what's going to be better off for me, because I put it around my belt loop, I put it around my keychain, of course. But I guess if you prefer this to be able to give you a grip on it or whatever, it's there for you. They give you a little manual, which I'll probably not actually read, but it does give you some features that I didn't know that this came with. Like, for example, even on the box, it says equipped with a flashlight. There's a flashlight on that. It's less than an inch tall. Like, there's a flashlight with it. That's weird. So anyway, we have our charging cable, which I already have 100 of. If you guys are like me, probably have plenty of these too. I've got myself a S25 Ultra over here, so I charge mine with Type C, and it says Type C. So you probably don't need this. It's just more courtesy than anything. But yeah, you get the manual. Inside the manual, if you actually really want to read this, they do have a few pages here that are in English, followed by some that are in, I'm not going to lie to you, I don't know what language, but I'm assuming Mandarin maybe? Some sort of Chinese language, maybe Cantonese or something. I'm just really guessing there. Excuse me if it's not. But yeah, you get the manual, which you might need. Yeah, if you were to just unbox this, you would have had this keychain that you had to put onto your little camera here. And personally, I've already put it back. I've already put it on there, but I guess if you didn't want it, you could throw the strap on there. I wouldn't. You turn it on. You hear that little sound. Let me do it again for you. Let's get this turned back off. Here it is going off. Yeah, you get a little sound. It's gonna get annoying. One more time. Ooh. That's beautiful. Beautiful. All right. And in just a moment, I'm going to move my camera and show you guys what this looks like, because as you can see, it is not big enough for you. So here we go. Let's get this going. Yeah, so one thing I did forget to actually mention is that it does also come with a Type-C adapter. I'm imagining that most of us probably already have something like this, but if you don't, this is, again, courtesy, but they give it to you. So that's kind of cool. Let's see. So when we turn this on, I got this backwards, so it's already on, I think. All right, turn it off. There you go. Now it's turned on. Oh, that focus is going to get in the way. All right, so if you see, we can go ahead and press this. Oh my God! I just took a picture of myself. I guess it does have a flashlight. I didn't realize that. Wow. I mean, I knew it did. They wouldn't lie to you, but. Good Lord. Yep, they're for real about that. You press your mode button, it's on the top. On the top here you got a mode button, and then it goes into its video recording mode. And as you can see, I think I am recording right now. Hey. And then if I were to turn this around, you see my setup. And then I guess I'll finish the recording on this little camera here for at least a moment or so. So yeah, that is the digital high definition camera Mini. Literally no name on it besides that it's a mini digital camera. If you guys are in the market for a $35 camera from Amazon, that's literally having no purpose besides just to be tiny and be there whenever you guys need it. I guess this is for you, but you can look at this quality. You're not going to shoot any movies with this. You're literally not going to be using this for any sort of audio thing, because you can't plug a mic into it. If you're trying to use this for anything besides just capturing Bigfoot, well, then you're probably not going to want this camera. Personally, I got it on the side, mostly for this video I got it. But yeah, this is it's definitely for that special person that's specifically looking out for something really cheap that they're probably not going to be filming something worth anything that they're going to be using for. So keep it in mind as you guys do make your purchase. And check in the description there, we do have our affiliate link. So if you guys do want to purchase this, just know, is this on? Is this on? Okay, it's on, just apparently the screen turned off. Yeah, the affiliate link is down in the description. Please join my Discord, which is for anybody that watches my channels, Picasso and all. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell me what you think about this camera. Would you in any way, shape, or form be able to buy it? Would you want to buy it? If this is free, would you take it? If somebody just ran up to you and handed it to you, would you accept it? Well, tell me in the comment section below. If there's anything about this camera you guys want to know, I guess let me know. And just for the last few seconds, I don't know if this is working. Oh, I think it is working. There are some filters, some really, really, really bad filters. I don't think there are many more features of this I can cover, but I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.